All right, looking for 65.
You're watching Alpha Kilo Warrior Aviation Entertainment over New England.
Meriden traffic archery 33121, departure 18 Meriden. All right, going to climb out at 80. It's VY, 80 miles an hour.
Air traffic Cessna 7607 Lima entering down on the 4518 Meriden.
Meriden traffic archer 33121, runway heading departure, heading southeast Meriden. All right, so traffic there is behind us, minus 700, 2 miles.
Yeah, I see him.
I'd like to welcome news channel members JBD Flying Drummer, Mike Fedor, and MWall 711. This brings our member count up to 27. If you want to help support the production of these videos on my channel and be part of my aviation journey with custom badges, members-only videos, and early access to Sunday, Wednesday content, consider joining for just 3 cents a day. I would love to add your name to this part of my future videos. Speaking of names, thank you so much JBD Flying Drummer and Shalom for your generous super gifts on last week's videos. Wow, I am already looking for ways to put these gifts to good use on my channel. Lastly, my channel member BB from Texas always asks about my constant butter landings. Well, you'll see a fumbled butter attempt at Gabreski in today's video. Thanks for watching. Have a sparkling day.
All right, we got traffic to our 11 o'clock.
336116, radio check, Meriden.
Clear.
Got him in sight.
1,000 feet of
Looks like a helicopter.
400 descending 1000 south.
He's right off our nose. I'm going to come this way. He's going to be in your field of view. He's going left to right.
Inside. Yeah, that's a helicopter.
He's showing up on SkyHound. Got another guy plus 700.
518
I think that's the one I'm looking at, actually. That's the helicopter.
Yeah, I got
another
him.
one further out.
Yeah, we got a guy out here too.
Yeah, going from
Air traffic Cessna
left to
Plus
right.
500.
Towards the south.
I got him in sight. 12 o'clock. Yeah, this is awesome, this SkyHound. Picks up everything.
I see him. You got Tweed on your right there.
Airport in sight.
That's Lake Saltonstall right before it, and we're over Lake, is it Gilliard or Gillard?
Unknown.
Whatever the hell we're over. Lake, I think Lake Gilliard. Called.
Well, I got to go to 4.5 now because I'm 20.
Yeah, well, you're going to be turning on course, though. You got to turn left a little bit. You're really right on north-south. I mean, it's
No one's going to complain.
yeah. You're going to have to turn left a little. I mean, at least looking by my watch here. Right about now, you're right on the heading. Yeah, right here, this heading. I'd hold this one right here. Oh, I got him. Just before that river thing there, there's someone. It almost looks like he's on the ground from here. See him there?
No.
At about 10 o'clock. Well, that's almost straight below us. Oh, now he's under the aircraft now. I'm not going to see him.
Yeah, he's within 2 miles. He's 1,800 below us.
Yeah. Couldn't hit him if you wanted to.
Oh, I got him now. Right below us. It's just love and life. All right, we're 10 miles out. Autopilot's going off.
Thanks for watching Alpha Kilo Warrior Aviation Entertainment on YouTube. Be sure to check out Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. I'm posting social content daily.
So this is a 9,000-foot runway. Think that's enough for an Archer?
I did Bradley. Bradley was 9,000 the other day on Sunday.
Yeah. You ever been to Stewart?
No.
11,000 feet.
11.
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah, other than training, there's not a lot of reason to go to Stewart. So I guess that, yeah, the controller's just having you intercept the final as you see fit. It's not, he didn't even say base, he just said, just tell me when you're on final.
November 121, runway 24, clear the lane.
Runway 24, clear the lane, Archer 33121.
Gonna land long to get a little closer to the terminal.
That would make a lot of sense, wouldn't it?
You're not gonna run out of runway with 9,000 feet.
Good. Nope. Alright, taxi diagram. November. And the Tower Archer 33121 going to the restaurant. Want us to keep rolling?
Archer 121, yeah, come down to Charlie, right at Charlie, cross 19 to the ramp.
Alright, right to Charlie, cross 19 to the ramp, Archer 121, copy that.